So clean, then she put that question in her ass and me in the mind. This bitch is fine. I done came to the club about 50-11 times. Now can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guards gonna swing me now. Pick a drunk, then a motherfucker threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. And then I like to see them females working, taking the clothes off, bucking naked. And yeah, hold on, disrespect it. I pop your pussy like this, 'cause